Should we start, Sahiti and Anika? Yes, Sahiti and Anika, should we start?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anika, you can join from the other device as well. Shri, what's turn on your video? Children, turn on your videos now. Yes, Shri, what's turn on your video? Sahiti, Kirtana, turn on your video.
Okay.
So, Srivatsa, we are actually, discussing about the topic connective tissues. All right.
Yes.
Connective tissues, basically, they are those tissues which help in making the connection between the different cells, different organs, and all. They will be helping to connect. Okay. So that they can send the oxygen, they can send the carbon dioxide gas, they can send the nutrients, so whatever the materials are needed, they can send. For that reason, they are important. Am I clear, Srivatsa?
Yes, sure.
So we will be discussing the third type of it, which is the supportive connective tissue. Okay.
Yes.
And at the same time, you have to keep on writing also and write in a neat handwriting. Okay. So take out your copy and then keep on writing. Yashoda, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Yashoda, today we are going to discuss about the connective tissue. And among that, the first type of it we are going to discuss, which is the supportive connective tissue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me share the screen and then we will be discussing about that topic. And children, keep on writing along with me so that nothing will be like, in the lost. So today is 10th of December. And what are we going to discuss? We are going to discuss the connective tissue. And in connective tissue, the third type of it is there, which is the supportive connective tissue. So this is the topic for today. Now, when we talk about,
Ma'am,
tell me.
what are the first two types of tissues?
That we have already discussed, and Srivatsa, separately, I'll be taking it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, supportive connective tissue, when we talk about the definition, in the exam, they ask about it for the 1 mark, that what do you understand by supportive connective tissue? Now, this means support. When we say supportive, it means support. You are helping some or the other tissues or the cells for a certain reason. So this type of the tissue, what do? They gives shape. Okay, whatever shape is required in our body, they will be giving it. Then they also give the support and the strength to the body. So when the supportive tissues are there, we will be getting the proper shape, the support we will be getting, and also the strength we will be getting through this supportive connective tissue. Am I clear, Sahiti, Nyanika, Srivatsa, Yashoda? Till here, am I clear? Should I explain anything again? Kirtana?
No need, ma'am.
Others also? Yashoda, am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what do? They basically forms the framework. Now, if I say framework they form, it means they form the skeleton of our body. So this is a person, might be so. This is a person. Now, what happened? That skeleton, the complete body is made up of the skeleton. All together, it is like framework, which we are calling it as a skeleton. And this skeleton, what do? They protect our delegate organ. So whatever the delegate organs are there, they will be protecting them. So supportive connective tissue, they will be giving shape, they will be supporting, they will be giving the strength to the body. At the same time, they form the framework, which is called as skeleton. And through the skeleton, they will be protecting the delegate organs. The organs can be the lungs, it can be the heart also, it can be the stomach also. All these delegate organs will be protected by them. So have you all written this till here? Yes, Sahiti, Nyanika, Kirtana, Yashoda, Srivatsa, have you written till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And after the class, before the class ends, you have to send me the notes also. So make sure that you write it. Yashoda, done? Should we go to the next page now? Yashoda, done? Yashoda, I can't hear you actually. Okay, we'll go to the next one now. The functions of, if they ask you in the exam, what are the functions of supportive connective tissue? Then you should write, the first function is that it provides shape and structure. So through this tissue, we will be getting the shape and structure. Second thing, they will be protecting the internal organs. So all the internal organs will be protected by them. Internal organs. Then they helps in movement also. So if I need to move from one place to other place, they will be helping. Then they supports the body weight. And then the last one, they form the skeletal system. Forms the skeletal system. So for 2 marks, they ask this question, what are the functions of the supportive connective tissue? So directly this 4 points you can write. Out of 5, any 4 points you can write it. Srivatsa, am I clear? Or should I explain it again?
Ma'am, you're clear.
Just read what it is written on the board.
So, let's run it. So, provides shape and structure, provides
Correct.
internal organs, helps in
Hmm.
movement, supports the body weight, forms the skeletal system.
Fine. So these are the functions which will be done by the supportive connective tissue. Yashoda, is it done? Have you completed writing or should I wait?
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Kirtana, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now going to the very important part, which are the types of supportive connective tissues. Basically, they are of 2 types, which are the bones and cartilages. You might have heard many times, right? In our body, we have the bones. So do we have the bones or not in our body? Yes, do we have or not?
So, you're asking me?
I'm asking everybody. You can also answer, Srivatsa.
Yes, we do have.
We do have. I think others also can turn on the video. Now, see, children, what happened if I talk about the hands? In the hands, we have the bones, right? This is the first bone, second bone, third bone. And between these 3 bones, what is there? The joints are there, which help in the movement. Now imagine my complete hand is there. In my complete hand, there are no joints. So if no joints are there, can I be able to move my fingers?
No, you cannot.
No, correct. We cannot. Very good, Srivatsa. We cannot do that. So that is the reason. What do we need? We need the joints in between the bones so that movements become easy. Coming to the cartilages, this ear, you might have seen in your ears also. It is like soft. It is not hard. So whatever the soft tissues we have in our body, they are the cartilages, and whatever the hard structures we have, they are the bones. Fine?
Yes.
You can hear me, right?
I can hear you, Nanika.
I just joined from a different device.
Okay. So we were discussing about the bones and the cartilages. Now we will be starting
I
to
was listening from another device simultaneously.
Okay. Gagna, Kirtana, Sahitya, and Yashoda, am I clear?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's go to the other part of it. The first topic, what we will be starting is the bones. And these bones are not only important for your grade 9, but also for the higher classes and also for the entrance exams. They will be asking you many questions regarding this topic, bones and the cartilages. So make sure that you understand it clearly. And if in case any time you have any doubt, you can just stop me and ask. Okay. Now, bones, the first topic is the bones. Now, bones are what? They are the hard structure, we know very well. But the question is, what are they made up of? Any answer, any one of you, what they are made up of?
Ma'am, calcium.
Calcium, very good. Okay. Then, now if I say that your mother have to prepare the biryani, vegetable biryani, she will be using certain item, right? Certain ingredients will be there. And on the basis of that, she will be making the biryani. Same way, if in our body, the bones have to be made up of, then they will be using some material. Those
Proteins.
proteins, no, proteins they will not be using. I'll tell you. First thing is the salt. Okay. Salt is not normal salt, what we are actually taking. They are the calcium salt. Fine. The first thing is a salt they will be using. So calcium and the phosphorus salt, these are the two salts which they will be using, what they will be made up of. The bones will be made up of the salt known as the calcium and the phosphorus salt. Second thing, what they will be using is the collagen fiber. Collagen fibers. Now, Yashoda and Srivatsa, you might not be knowing about the collagen fiber. Collagen fiber, they are the fibers which are actually helping to give strength to the bones. Okay, so our bones are strong because in them, what is there? The collagen fiber is there. Okay, so what they will be doing? They will be giving strength. Give strength. So first thing is the salt. Two types of salt will be there, calcium and phosphorus. Second thing is the collagen fiber, which will be helping to give the strength. There is another thing which is also present in them. The third thing, which is called as the bone cells, and these bone cells are also called as osteocytes.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
go back once?
I'm going back. So these bone cells, which are also called as osteocytes, what they will be doing, they will be keeping alive. So three things bones are made up of: calcium salts, phosphorus salts, collagen fiber, and the last one, which are the bone cells called as osteocytes. In the exams, generally, they will not be giving you the word bone cell, they give the word osteocytes. So calcium and phosphorus, what they will be doing? They will be making it hard. Collagen fiber will be giving the strength, and the bone cell will keep them alive. Sahidi, Gagna, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nayanika,
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Kirtana,
Ma'am, what's the fourth
Yashivats,
one? First, excuse me, what's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
fourth one spelling? Fourth one spelling.
which, where the fourth one?
So after the second and third one of collagen fibers, third and fourth one I need.
Give strength. S-T-R-E-N.
Oh, strength. Okay.
Yes, strength. It means it give power to it. Yashoda, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you noted it down?
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Can you just tell me the
Yes.
four kinds? I mean, four kinds.
Salt. In the salt, two types are there: calcium salt, phosphorus salt. Then second type is the collagen fiber, which will be giving the strength. And the third type is called as the bone cells, which will
Yeah.
be keeping the bone alive.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all these three things together forms the bone. Okay. Very, very, very important for your exam and as well as for the future entrance exam. And for the grade 9 also it is important. Now, we will be discussing about the functions of bone. Functions of bone. So what basically the bones will be doing in our body? As mentioned already, what they will be doing, they will be giving the shape and the support. So now in the legs, in the hands, everywhere, what do we have? We have the bone. Imagine if we do not have the bone, then are we able to walk then? Can we walk? We cannot. If I do not have the bone in my hand, can I write anything? I cannot write anything. So it will be giving the shape and support. That is the first function. Then they will also protect the organs, which is basically you might have heard, like, the skull will be there in our head where they will be protecting the brain. So this skull is also made up of what? It is made up of the bone. Then we have the another structure also, rib cage. I think you might have heard about it. So ribs will be there. This ribs, what do? They protect the heart and the lungs. So heart and lungs will be protected by the ribs. So they will be giving shape and support, and also they protect the organ. The brain will be protected by the bone-like structure called as the skull, and the heart and the lungs will be protected by the bone structure called as a rib or the rib cage. Then third function, with the help of the bones, what we can do, they also, where they can move. The movement, what we are doing, it is happening because of the bones in our body. Then these bones also helps in the production of the blood cells. So whatever the blood cells are there, they will be produced inside the bone marrow. So that is how the bones are useful. So they will be giving the shape and support. They will be protecting the organ. They will be helping in the movement. And also they will be helping to produce the blood cells. So am I clear, Sahiti? Nanika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Gagna? Gagna?
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yashoda, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Srivatsa, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written till where you have written?
Yes, I did.
Come again?
Oh, yes, I did. I wrote.
Till where you have written?
So, like, up to the helps protect brain health.
Okay, okay, fine. Write the
Heart
remaining
and
3
lungs.
lines also. Okay, okay. So write the remaining 2 lines as well. So 3 things they are made up of. The first thing, calcium and phosphorus salt. Second thing, collagen fiber. And third thing, they are the bone cell called as the osteocytes. The main functions, they will be giving the support and the shape. They will be protecting the organ. The brain will be protected by the skull. Then the heart and the lungs will be protected by the ribs. They also help in the movement, and also they produces the blood cells. Now going to the next topic, shall I go to the next page, Yashoda? Srivatsa, shall we go to the next page now?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Now the next one is the cartilages. So 2 types were there. Now first one we have discussed. The next one are the cartilages. Just give me a minute. Let me delete. Cartilages. Cartilages. Now, when we talk about the cartilages, basically they are soft tissues. Like the bones were the hard, but they are the soft and flexible tissue. So you can note it down. They are soft and flexible tissues. So if you touch your nose, if you touch your ear, you can feel that they are soft. They are not hard as like the bones. Now again, the same question here. What cartilages are made up of? This is important again for the difference between the bones and cartilages. You should know what are they made up of. So bones were made up of the collagen fiber, calcium and phosphorus salt, and also bone cell. Same way, they are also made up of three things. They have the three things here. The first thing are the chondrocytes, like osteocytes. Bone cells were called as the osteocytes. Same way, the chondrocytes, they are the cartilage cells. They are called as the cartilage cells. Or I can say cartilage cells are called as the chondrocytes. So this is the first thing what they are made up of. Second thing they are made up of are the protein fibers. I think Kirtana answered this thing in the previous one. So cartilages are made up of the protein fibers. It means, what do they have? They have the two things in them. So protein fiber contains two things. The first thing is the collagen, which will be giving the strength. And the second one is called as the elastic fiber. So two types of the fibers they have in the protein fibers, collagen fibers and the elastic fiber. Then the third type of it is they contain the matrix which is called as the flexible matrix. Just a minute, children. So they are made up of three things. The first thing is the chondrocyte cells. Second thing, they are the protein fibers. In the protein fibers, two things they are made up of: collagen fiber, which will be giving the strength, and the elastic fiber, which will be helping them to show the elasticity. And the third thing, what do they have? They have the flexible matrix with them. So bones also have three components. The cartilages also have three components, but the different types of them it is there. Done, children, till here? Should I explain anything again? Yashoda, Shrivastava, should I explain anything again?
Need some time, not done.
Okay, do it. Yashoda, should I explain anything again?
No, ma'am.
So bones are hard, cartilages are soft. Bones have three components, cartilages also have three components. But in the bones, the three components which are present are the salt, calcium and phosphorus salt, collagen fiber and the osteocyte cells. But in the cartilages, what are present? They have the chondrocyte cells, which are called as cartilage cells. They have the two types of protein fibers, collagen fiber and the elastic fiber. And third thing, what do they have is a matrix, which is flexible in nature. Everybody has done? Should we, Srivatsa, done or should I wait?
Done a little bit.
Do it if not done.
Still doing.
Do it. No problem, do it.
Ma'am, which other chapters are left, ma'am?
That's it.
Okay. Ma'am, I think there's like one other chapter left that's like a miscellaneous chapter, or is it that it?
Which one? Which chapter is left? Nothing. I think improvement in food resources, the other ma'am has completed. And the
Yes.
cell and tissues, I have completed. I think there is no other chapter left out,
Okay.
according to the CBSE.
Okay.
Though they have the two more chapters, which are basically like, diversity also is there, why do fall ill is there. But those are deleted chapters, which CBSE is not following now, from the current year.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, about maths, ma'am,
The
we're just
natural resources is there.
Natural resources is not there as a part of the syllabus, actually. It is only for the activity. Assessment part, the activity assessment part will be done through the natural resources.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you want, I can take that also. Yeah, Anika, you were saying something?
Ma'am, for maths, ma'am, like we're just redoing the same thing that we have done before, right, ma'am? Is there anything that we can start like 10th grade portion or something, ma'am? So it's like, not wasting time.
No, this sir is actually taking the new thing or the NCRT book.
NCRT book only, ma'am.
I'll
Like
inform him to,
not that many new questions, ma'am. They're like similar level of NCRT only.
Okay, then I'll inform him, to go to the high level, actually. Next level he has to go.
Yeah, ma'am. Like so that it's just, something productive that's happening.
Fine, fine. I'll inform him. Now, the next one is the functions of the cartilages. Functions of cartilage.
And ma'am, I think there's some like type of problem with the new type of website, ma'am, because like teacher, both Abita ma'am has like a problem with her mic. Now she fixed it with like another,
Device. She will be joining with the two devices, right?
yeah. And then like, ma'am, the way that the presentation is happening is also like dual presentation and all of that, ma'am. So it's getting a little confusing.
I'll inform this also to the technical team.
Yeah, ma'am, because it's like a new website, right? Not everybody is understanding how to use it at least.
It will be taking almost 15 days or something so, and then it will become okay for all because everybody is experimenting.
Yeah.
Hmm. So functions of cartilages, the first point is they provide the flexibility. So since they are soft, what they can do? They can provide the flexibility in our body. And also, along with the flexibility, they will be giving the support. Second thing is they form the soft structure in our body like the nose and ears. So the nose and the ears, they have the soft structure which is basically formed of the cartilages. And also, very important point, they act as a cushion between bones. So between the bones, they will be acting as like the cushion. Now, suppose for example, here we have one bone. So this is the first bone here. And then we have the second bone here. Okay, this is second bone, the first bone. In between these two, what is present? That is the cartilages. So these are what? In between the two bones, what is present? The cartilages are present. That is how we can say that they are acting like a cushion. Okay. So they're acting like a cushion because they are present between the two bones. And because they are present in between, they are acting like a cushion to give the softness, to give the support, to give the flexibility to the bones.
Mom, should we draw that?
Yes, you can actually, then you will be able to understand it. So this point, so if they ask you, if they give you the statement there in the exam that why the cartilages they are called as cushion, then you can draw the diagram and you can explain it. That since they are present in between the two bones, they act like a cushion.
Ma'am, shall we start sending?
Just a minute. Let me just revise quickly fast everything whatever we have done till now. And then tomorrow we will be discussing about the cartilages and bone differences. But let us quickly revise everything. Everybody has completed this page? Srivatsa, Yashoda done? Kirtana done?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so quickly we'll just revise everything, whatever we have discussed. So we have started with the definition of supportive connective tissue. Basically, they are the tissues which will be giving the shape, support, and strength to the body. And also they will be forming the framework, which is called as a skeleton. Then the different functions of the supportive connective tissues are they provide the shape and structure, they protect the internal organs, they help in the movement, they support the body weight, and also they form the skeletal system. Two types are there, the bones and the cartilages. Bones are basically the hard tissues which are made up of three components, and the three components are the calcium salts and phosphorus salts, collagen fiber which will be giving the strength, and the bone cell called as the osteocytes. They will be keeping the bone alive. Then the functions of the bones are they will be giving the shape and support, they will be protecting the organ, the brain will be protected by the skull, then the heart and the lung will be protected by the ribs. Then also bones will help in the movement, and also they will be producing the blood cells. Then cartilages, they are the soft tissues which give the flexibility to the body, and they are again made up of three types of the components. The chondrocyte cells, which are called as the cartilaginous cells. The protein fibers, two types are there. Collagen fiber, which will be helping to give the strength, and elastic fiber, which will be giving the elasticity. And third thing, what do they have is a flexible matrix with them. Then function of the cartilages, they will be providing the flexibility and support. They form the soft structure, specifically in our nose and the ears, and also they act as a kind of the cushion between the two bones. So between the two bones, the cartilages will be present. And because of that, they become soft in nature and they provide the cushion-like support to them. Am I clear to all, or should I explain anything again? Shrivatsa, any doubt you have? Charan,
No doubt.
Nayanika,
No doubt, ma'am.
Gagna, Kirtana,
No, ma'am.
No doubt,
Gagna,
ma'am.
Sahiti,
No doubt, ma'am.
Yashoda, anything should I explain you again?
No, ma'am.
Have you understood, Yashoda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, start sending the notes now on my WhatsApp. Everybody has to send, then only you will be leaving the class. Start sending the notes. Okay, I have received from Sahiti. Sahiti, you may leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, doubt about the weekend exams. Ma'am, they'll still continue to be coming on WhatsApp only, right?
We will be doing it on the other platform. So still we are waiting for it.
Okay, so from this week it's on the other platform.
Yes, 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 yes. And I think I'll be providing the certificate. Okay, just remind me maybe again tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, no problem. Just because like it was on a different platform and this was on a different
No, no,
platform.
just remind me because it'll go out of my brain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nayanika, I have received. Kirtana,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have received. Gagna, Charan, Yashoda, and Srivatsa, still you are remaining. Send it soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, we're supposed to send the notes.
Yes.
I didn't really take
Ma'am,
like
can I
proper
write?
notes. I just wrote the key points. Is that okay?
That's
Ma'am,
okay. You just send it. Let me check what you have written. Okay. Accordingly, then I'll guide you.
ma'am, can you like send the notes so that I can write?
Okay. I'll just send it right now. Give me a minute.
Can you also send me?
Okay, Yashoda, I'll share it. So basically, whatever we are writing in the class, you need to write it. And after completing, you have to send it. Okay, Yashoda. No problem
Okay,
today if
ma'am.
you have
I'm
written the
sorry,
key
I didn't know that.
points only. That's okay. That's completely okay. Since it was the first day, no problem at all. So
Ma'am,
you have to
excuse me.
complete. Yes,
Ma'am,
Srivatsa, tell
when
me.
will you like take class for the other tissues?
I'll just let you know, Srivatsa, about that. According to my schedule, I'll just let you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Srivatsa, I have received, but still some points are missing here. I can't see the cartilages part.
Yeah.
Where it is?
I'll write it. You have to send.
Do it fast. I'll just send the notes. Do it fast, okay? Yashoda,
Yeah.
I'll share those notes personally to you, okay? And also in the group as well.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And for the maths children, you have to join through the graphy only. Okay, children, then thank you. I'll share the notes right away.